Earth is the third planet from the Sun and the only known world to support life. It is a dynamic, geologically active planet with a diverse atmosphere, a magnetic field, and liquid water on its surface. Here's a comprehensive overview of what is known about Earth. The Earth has a diameter of about 12,742 kilometers, 7,918 miles, making it the fifth largest planet in the solar system. Earth's mass is approximately 5.97 times 10 to the power of 24 kilograms. Earth is not a perfect sphere but an oblate spheroid, meaning it is slightly flattened at the poles and bulges at the equator due to its rotation. Earth has a density of 5.52 grams per cubic centimeter, making it the densest planet in the solar system. The surface gravity on Earth is 9.8 meters per square second, which is the standard used for measuring gravity on other planets. Earth orbits the Sun at an average distance of about 149.6 million kilometers, 93 million miles, also known as 1 astronomical unit, AU. Earth takes about 365.25 days to complete one orbit around the Sun, which defines a year. To account for the extra quarter day, a leap year, with an extra day in February, occurs every 4 years. Earth completes one rotation on its axis every 23.93 hours, which defines a day. Earth is tilted on its axis by 23.5 degrees, which causes the seasons as different parts of the planet receive varying amounts of sunlight throughout the year. Earth's orbit lies nearly in the plane of the Sun's equator, known as the ecliptic plane. Earth's atmosphere is composed primarily of nitrogen, 78%, oxygen, 21%, and trace amounts of other gases such as argon, 0.93%, carbon dioxide, 0.04%, and water vapor, varies between 0 to 4%. Troposphere, the lowest layer, where weather occurs, extending up to about 8 to 15 kilometers. Stratosphere, contains the ozone layer, which protects life by absorbing harmful ultraviolet radiation. Mesosphere, the layer where most meteors burn up upon entering the atmosphere. Thermosphere, this is where the auroras occur and where the International Space Station, ISS, orbits. Exosphere, the outermost layer, transitioning into the vacuum of space. Earth's atmosphere supports a wide variety of weather patterns and climates, from tropical zones to polar regions. Its climate system is powered by the Sun, and atmospheric currents distribute heat across the globe, driving phenomena like wind, rain, snow, and hurricanes. Earth's surface is 71% covered by water, primarily in the form of oceans, with the remaining 29% consisting of land masses. Key features include: Earth has 7 continents: Africa, Antarctica, Asia, Europe, North America, South America, and Australia. These landmasses are made up of various geological features, including mountains, plains, plateaus, and valleys. Earth's 5 main oceans are the Pacific Ocean, Atlantic Ocean, Indian Ocean, Southern Ocean, and Arctic Ocean. The Pacific Ocean is the largest and deepest. The highest point on Earth is Mount Everest, which stands at 8,848 meters, 29,029 feet, above sea level. Earth's mountains are formed primarily through tectonic activity. Earth's largest canyon is the Grand Canyon in the United States, while Valles Marineris on Mars dwarfs any canyon on Earth. Earth is home to many active and dormant volcanoes, including Mount Vesuvius, Krakatoa, and Mauna Loa. Volcanic activity plays a crucial role in shaping Earth's surface. Earth's largest desert is the Sahara, located in northern Africa. Deserts cover about 1/3 of Earth's land surface. Earth is a geologically active planet with the following internal layers. Crust. the outermost layer, ranging in thickness from 5 to 70 kilometers. It is divided into the continental crust, thicker but less dense, and oceanic crust, thinner but denser. Below the crust lies the mantle, a thick layer of hot, solid rock that flows slowly over time. The mantle extends down to about 2,900 kilometers. Outer core. This is a layer of liquid iron and nickel, extending from 2,900 to 5,150 kilometers beneath the surface. The outer core's movement generates Earth's magnetic field. The inner core is a solid sphere made of iron and nickel, with a radius of about 1,220 kilometers. It remains solid despite extreme heat due to the immense pressure. Earth's magnetic field is generated by the movement of molten iron in the outer core and protects the planet from harmful solar radiation. It extends far into space, forming the magnetosphere. The magnetic field deflects charged particles from the sun, which would otherwise strip away the atmosphere. The magnetic field occasionally flips its polarity in events called geomagnetic reversals. Earth's crust is divided into tectonic plates that float on the semi-fluid mantle below. These plates move slowly over time, driven by convection currents in the mantle. Their movement leads to various geological processes. Sudden movements of tectonic plates cause earthquakes, which release stored energy in the form of seismic waves. When plates collide, they can push up land to form mountain ranges. Volcanic activity occurs at plate boundaries and hot spots, where molten material from the mantle reaches the surface. The theory of plate tectonics explains how continents move across Earth's surface over geological time. The supercontinent Pangaea broke apart around 200 million years ago, giving rise to the continents we know today. Earth's hydrosphere consists of all the water on its surface, in the air, and beneath the ground. Water moves through the water cycle, which includes evaporation. Water from the oceans and lakes turns into water vapor and rises into the atmosphere. Condensation. Water vapor cools and forms clouds. Precipitation. Water falls back to Earth as rain, snow, sleet, or hail. Runoff. Water flows back into oceans, rivers, and lakes, continuing the cycle. Earth's oceans are crucial for regulating climate and supporting life, and their currents redistribute heat around the globe. Earth's biosphere encompasses all ecosystems and living organisms, from microorganisms to complex multicellular life forms. Life on Earth depends on the following key factors. Liquid water. Earth's abundant liquid water is essential for all known forms of life. The atmosphere contains 21% oxygen, a byproduct of photosynthesis, which supports aerobic life. Habitable temperature range. Earth's distance from the sun places it in the habitable zone, where temperatures are suitable for liquid water and life. Earth supports a wide variety of ecosystems, from tropical rainforests and deserts to deep ocean environments, each hosting unique forms of life. Life on Earth has evolved over billions of years, with the earliest evidence of life dating back over 3.5 billion years. The Cambrian explosion, around 540 million years ago, marked a period of rapid diversification of life forms. Homo sapiens, modern humans, evolved approximately 300,000 years ago. Earth's climate is determined by a complex interaction between the atmosphere, oceans, and solar energy. It is influenced by various factors, including the sun's energy drives Earth's climate, creating seasons and weather patterns. Gases like carbon dioxide, CO2, methane, CH4, and water vapor trap heat in the atmosphere, maintaining Earth's temperature. However, human activities have significantly increased greenhouse gas concentrations, contributing to global warming and climate change. Climate cycles. Earth has natural climate cycles, such as the ice ages, where global temperatures have fluctuated over millions of years. Today, climate change is a significant issue, driven by human activities like deforestation and the burning of fossil fuels, which increase the concentration of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere. This leads to rising temperatures, melting polar ice, rising sea levels, and extreme weather events. Earth has one natural satellite, the Moon, which is about 3,474 kilometers in diameter and orbits Earth at an average distance of 384,400 kilometers. The Moon's gravitational pull causes tides in Earth's oceans. Its influence also helps stabilize Earth's axial tilt, which moderates the planet's climate. Thousands of artificial satellites orbit Earth, used for communication, navigation, weather monitoring, and scientific research. In the 20th century, Earth saw its first ventures into space, with Sputnik 1, the first artificial satellite, and Apollo 11, the first crewed moon landing. The ISS orbits Earth, serving as a laboratory for international scientific cooperation and research in microgravity. Numerous satellites monitor Earth's climate, natural resources, and environmental changes, contributing to our understanding of the planet and how to manage its resources sustainably. Earth is a unique, vibrant, and life-sustaining planet with a rich history shaped by dynamic geological, climatic, and biological processes. Its position in the solar system, liquid water, atmosphere, and magnetic field make it the perfect home for a vast diversity of life forms, including humans. As we learn more about our planet and its complex systems, we gain critical insights into how to protect and preserve it for future generations.